Hello, welcome to Maths with Mars. Today I'm solving Mathematics Labels Day paper of O Levels. It's May June 2023, variant 11. Okay, in this video, I'll just be solving from question 1 to question 10 only. So let's start. So, question number 120, uh, 1234.4 divided by 8. I can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 8. Okay, now I can divide this number by 8 first. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 divided by 8. So I have 1543 divided by 10, which equals to 154.3. This is my answer. So yeah, for part B, I have 3 over 7 multiplied by 56. So 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56, 8 threes are 24. So this is my solution for this. Now write down the fraction of this 3 by 3 square that is shaded. So fraction, so basically let's find the area first. So for this triangle, if you see, it's basically half of this square, 2 by 2 square. So it's basically 4 over 2 plus, and this triangle, it's basically half of these two squares. So this is 2 over 2, which basically equals to, this is 1 and this is 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 squares is the shaded region of this 9 squares. So the fraction would be 3 over 9, which equals to 1 over 3. So this is going to be our answer. Okay, evaluate 0.5 square. So I can write 0.5 as 5 over 10 square. This equals to 5 square over 10 square. This equals to 25 over 100, which equals to 0.25. Okay. Now over here we have to find the value of x. So this whole circle is 360 degrees, right? So 360 equals to, this is 120 plus, this is right angle, so 90 plus 40 plus x. So x equals to 360 minus, so 120 plus 90 is 210, 210 plus 40 is 250. So 250, x equals to 110 degrees. Okay. So basically 110. Okay, ABC is a straight line and BCD is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means that all the sides of BCD would be 60 degrees. Right? So a line is basically 180 degrees. So 180 equals to 60 plus y. So y equals to 120 degrees. Okay. Benjamin's age is T years. Miriam is 5 years younger than Benjamin. Write an expression for Miriam's age in terms of T. So M it's for Mariam. And so in terms of T, and she is 5 years younger than Benjamin, so T minus 5. Colin's age is twice Benjamin's age. Write an expression for Colin's age in terms of T. So C equals to, C is for Collins, and twice of Benjamin, so 2T. Given that A equals to 3 and B equals to minus 2, evaluate 5A minus 2B. So 5 is 3 minus 2 minus 2. So this is 5 3 is 15. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. This equals to 19. Okay. So insert one set of brackets to make the calculation correct. So basically, I have to get 9 over here. So just by doing mental mathematics, if I add 3 plus 5, I multiply, it becomes 8, and I multiply it by 2, this becomes 16, and 16 minus 7 will become 9. So basically that's how I have to do it. But the thing is that following BODMAS, I cannot just directly carry out this expression like 3 plus 5 multiplied by 2, because by that rule I will have to first solve 5 multiplied by 2. And if I do that, this expression won't work out. So if I add bracket over here, so first we'll have to resolve this bracket. This will become 8. Then 8 multiplied by 2 will become 16. And 16 minus 7 will become 9. So basically we'll have bracket over 3 plus 5. Now insert plus, minus, and multiplication to make the calculation correct. Okay, so over here if I see, so 3 multiplied by 5 will become 15. 15 minus 2 will become 13. And 13 plus 7 will become 20. So this is how this will work. Okay. Complete the pattern so that AB is the only line of symmetry. So this is AB is the line of symmetry. So in order to complete this, I can draw a square over here. So this is symmetrical to this. This area is basically symmetrical to this area. And for the above one, for the 2 blocks over here, I can draw 2 blocks over here, and I can join it here. So this will be, this area is symmetrical to this area. So yeah. Okay. A hexagon has rotational symmetry of order 6. The perimeter of hexagon is 30 centimeters. Draw a sketch of hexagon labeling the lengths of the side. Okay, so hexagon has six corners, and if there are 6 corners and the order of symmetry is also 6, this means that the shape is regular. So let's draw. Okay, and the parameter is 30. So we have 6 sides, so 30 divided by 6, this is 5 centimeters. So all the sides are 5 centimeters. Okay, basically order of symmetry means that like if I rotate this shape, I get the original shape. Like I won't have to rotate it like 360. I'll rotate it some angle. I'll get that shape in the original position again, like the original position again. I'll rotate it again. So if the hexagon is regular, and I rotate it with some angle, it will just look like the original position. I'll rotate it again, it will just look like the original position. So basically, if I rotate it from here to here, it will look the same. I'll rotate it from here to here, this will look the same, and so on. So it's basically, it can be, so the regular hexagon can be rotated 6 times and it will look the same until it completes the full circle. Okay, here are 5 temperatures in degrees Celsius: minus 18, minus 21, minus 2, and 17, minus 10. Write these temperatures in order from coldest to hottest. So minus 21 is the coldest, then minus 18, then minus 10, minus 2, and then 17. Work out the temperature that is 5 degrees colder than minus 18. So minus 18 minus 5, this equals minus 23 degrees Celsius. Okay, a rope is cut into 3 pieces with lengths in ratio 3:4. The length of the shortest piece of rope is 180 centimeters. Find the length in centimeter of the longest piece of rope. So the longest piece is like with the ratio 5. So if for the smallest ratio the length is 180, for the biggest ratio the length is x. So let's cross multiply this. So this is 3x equals to 5 multiplied by 180. X equals to 5 multiplied by 180 over 3. This goes by 1, this goes by 60. 5 into 60 is 300. So basically it's 300 centimeters, the length of the longest rope. Find the total length of the rope. Give your answer in meters. So we have length for the shortest one, we have length for the longest one. Let's find the length for the piece of rope with the 4 ratio. So we can do this again. So 3 is 180, 4x, cross multiply. So this will equal to 3x equals to 180 multiplied by 4. X equals to 180 multiplied by 4 over 3. 60. 6 4 is 24, so 240. So the shortest is 180. Then we have 240, and then we have 300. So total will be 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So the total length is 720. This is in centimeters. So if I divide 720 by 100, this will equal 7.2 meters. So this is going to be my answer. The diagram shows triangle A and B. Fully describes single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So at a glance, this does look like that this has been rotated from here to here, and the angle of rotation is 90 degrees. Now, if we try to consider the point of rotation, so if you see over here it looks like this. So basically this is the point of rotation. We can also verify or like by another point. So I go one down and then towards the left 4 times. If I rotate it, so I have to go 4 down and 1 on right. So 4 down and 1 on right. So this basically verifies. So center of rotation is 0 0. So the single transformation is that this triangle has been rotated by 90 degrees at the point 0 0. Okay, so work out 1 whole 1 over 3 multiplied by 8 over 9. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So let's rewrite this. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 over 3 multiplied by 8 over 9. So I cannot simplify this. Basically, I cannot simplify this more. So I'll just directly multiply it. 4 it's 32. And 3 into 9 is 27. I can write it as mixed numbers. So 1 over 32 minus 27 is 5. Sorry. So this is going to be our answer in mixed number in its simplest form. Okay. Kate has a bunch of grapes. She ate 1/4 of the grapes in the morning. So she has already eaten 1/4. She ate 2/3 of the grapes in the afternoon. Work out the fraction of grapes that she has not eaten. So basically we have 2/3 and then x, and this whole equals to 1 because we are dealing in fractions. So this all becomes 1. Okay, so now let me just get rid of this. Okay, so let's work out x. So we can like x equals to 1 minus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4. So if we take LCM, the LCM will be 12. So this will become 12 minus, so 3 4s are 12, so 2 4s are 8 minus 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3. So this becomes 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is 1 over 12. This is the fraction of grapes she has not eaten yet. Okay, so this is end of our first part where I've just solved from question 1 to 10, and the second part I will solve from question 11 to 20. See you in the next video. Thank you.